Another major hazard for deer is the motor car. If you see one deer cross the road in front of you, do remember that deer often travel in pairs, so please slow down just in case. Our little orphan Munchkin was now part of a larger family unit, and to see him at play with his companions was a wonderful sight. But little did we realise that within a few short weeks, Munchkin, as we shall see in next week's episode, was to lose his life in tragic circumstances.
Beneath the beating heart of London lie the hidden secrets of the underground and the people that have kept it alive for over 150 years.
We are the lifeblood of London.
1.2 billion journeys a year is a lot of people to move about.
These points are being used like no other across the world.
There's a train going over our head right now.
That's absolutely incredible.
A new series, Inside the Tube, Going Underground, continues Monday at 9 on Channel 5.
And there comes the boxers.
It's time to fix up, look sharp, and get dizzy with excitement.
Whatever.
Because brand new Loud House is rolling onto Tunes.
How is this even possible?
With a whole week of new episodes.
Gasp.
From your favorite rascals.
I do know what audience is like.
Brand new Loud House. Next week from 5 on Tunes.
What letters do you see? A, B, C!
Milkshake brought to you by Fisher-Price Laugh and Learn.
Angels of Joe will keep you from harm. Angels of Joe will keep you from harm. Angels of Joe will keep you from harm. Angels, angels, angels of Joe.
I love flying.
I feel like a butterfly. Let's follow it.
Hey, Mick, wait for us.
Shh. Gotcha. Isn't he beautiful?
Yes, but...
Don't worry, he can breathe. Look, the lid's got holes.
Yes, but...
I'll give him food and water.
I know, but...
And I'll love him best of all. Angels!
Heavenly handbags. That's Gabrielle.
We're late.
Come along, I have something to show you. Be good. I'll be back later.
What a sad bird.
Probably hungry.
No, maybe thirsty.
Maybe nobody loves him. Maybe it's up to one of you to find out.
Pick me!
Me!
I know.
Not yet, Angels. First, watch how this came to pass.
Catch, Morley.
I'll get it.
Oh, what's that?
Look.
He's hurt.
Poor little thing.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to look after him, Ephraim.
Are you sure?
Sure, I'm sure. There's a bird cage inside. He can sleep in that.
Just till he gets better, yeah?
Yeah, just till he's better. You'll be okay with me, little birdie.
So you see, that bird was loved and is still loved.
So what's the answer?
That's up to one of you to find out. But which one?
Angels, angels, angels of Joe.
There's work to be done. Ellie, 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 make, Wraith, who'll keep you safe. Ellie, 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 Wraith, make, who'll be the pig?
Mick. Golly, I hope I'll be okay.
You'll be fine.
Good luck.
Fly away, Mick, on the celestial highway.
Hello, little birdie.
Hello, Murray.
Who are you?
I'm Mick. Is he okay?
He broke his wing, but it's better now.
He looks sad.
I know. I wish I could make him happy again.
Look, they seem to know each other.
That bird comes every day.
Maybe they're friends. Look, he wants to join him.
Shoo! Go away.
What are you doing, Murray?
I can't let him out. He'll fly away. Then I'll never see him again. That's Ephraim. Want to play with us?
Yes, thanks.
Do you like my new kite?
It's brilliant.
Look,
They're dancing together. He wants to play too.
No.
But his wing's better.
he needs to go back to where he belongs, Murray.
No.
With the other birds. I know you love him, but you've got to let him go.
You're right. I hope you'll come back and see me sometime. Fly free, little birdie.
Wow! Look at him fly.
He's the best flyer there is.
And the happiest. Time for me to fly too.
Aww.
I'll be back, but there's something I need to do back home.
Bye then.
See you.
Well done, Mick.
So you found the answer, Mick? I think so, Gabrielle. I know so. Look.
That bird table is a brilliant idea, Murray.
I hope so, Ephraim.
There he is. And look, he's brought his friends.
He did come back. Good. It's a happy ending.
Ah, not quite. I have one more job to do. Fly free, little butterfly. Back to where you belong. It's been a long day, little angels. I think you need to stretch your wings too.
Yay! Good idea.
Yes! Off you go then.
Angels, angels, angels of charm. They look just like you. See what they can do. Calm a quarrel, stop a fight. Make it sleep, tuck it in at night. Angels, angels, angels of charm. They keep you safe, they keep you from harm. Angels, angels, angels of charm.
Oh, what a lovely cup of tea. I wonder who put the kettle on. I bet it was Polly. And that's a clue to today's nursery rhyme that we're going to sing using sign language. Have you guessed it yet? Yes, of course, it's Polly put the kettle on. So we need to make a P for Polly, and then we need to put our kettle on, so do that. We do that 3 times, and then we say, we'll all have tea. Then we need to make an S for Suki. Suki, take it off again. We do that 3 times, and then we say, they've all gone away. So shall we try it with the music? Here it comes. Are you ready to make your peas? So we say, Polly put the kettle on, Polly put the kettle on, Polly put the kettle on, we'll all have tea. Suki, take it off again, Suki, take it off again, Suki, take it off again, they've all gone away. One more time, Polly put the kettle on, Polly put the kettle on, Polly put the kettle on, we'll all have tea, we'll all have tea. Well done, milkshakers.
What colours do you see? Yellow, white, green.
Milkshake brought to you by Fisher-Price Laugh and Learn.
My number one star, the silver hatch in his little white cap. Come on, Rory, one more lap. Rory, the racing car. Rory, my number one star. He's coming to the line, looking real fine. Watch out, Rory, the ride behind you. Come on, Rory, the racing car. Rory, my number one star. Rory, the racing car.
Rory's hero, Conrad, was visiting Silverhatch to have his engine tuned up.
Conrad!
Rory, how you doing? It's a big race tomorrow. I need the best mechanic in the world. But he was busy, so you'll have to do, Big Chris. Only kidding.
It's a dream come true, this. Tuning up a V8 supercar.
Big Chris, please sort his cough out. It has been driving me crazy.
Steady on, Loader. You had a rattle, but I didn't grumble. Hi, CC. You knocked Maxie off first place yet?
I'm working on it.
You don't stand a
Hey,
chance.
Maxie, I'm only joking. Everyone knows Tin Top's your number one rival, right?
Let me tell you, buddy, I've had a whole week without one crash.
Oh, sorry to hear that, mate. You'll be back on form soon. You need a spoiler like me. It makes you go faster.
Chat later, work first. Come on, Conrad.
Ah, it's tough at the top. Catch you later.
Oh, hello, Malcolm. What's all this then?
Big Chris asked me to give the track a good tidy. I thought some of this stuff might come in handy.
I doubt it. Flash, gotta dash.
So, Conrad, won a few races lately?
I haven't won a few races, Rory, mate. I've won all of them!
Are you okay, Conrad?
He will be if he keeps still. Off you go, Rory. There's a good lad.
Conrad, I want to be a champion just like you. How do you do it?
Well...
Are you sure you'll be well enough to race tomorrow?
Something doesn't feel right.
You know, you should tell Big Chris.
No, I'll be fine. Can't let the fans down.
Tinker? Are you okay?
Oh, sure. You know, maybe Conrad's right. If I had a spoiler, who knows? Maybe I could be champion like him. And my lap times could be even better. That'd stop Conrad and these funny jokes.
If you're looking for a designer, I am the mole for the role. I've got all the things we need, but most important of all, lots of design ideas to make you go faster.
Uh-huh. I see. I think...
This is just a load of old junk. Oh, no. It's my new body. the body of a champion. Fasten your seatbelt, Silverhatch. Tin Top is taking off.
The fins will help with my drifting.
I'll be able to keep my speed up when I take governors.
Maybe I'll try it after all.
Hi! What's going on? Ah, Rory! We're all getting spoilers to make us go as fast as Conrad. Yay! Me next.
Sorry, Conrad. It's my break time, and I can hear me tea and biscuits calling me. Listen, can you hear him? McGrath, come when he does. I see. I've got to go. We'll be back to...